I started at around 10K per month. This year, if we keep going at this pace, we should be over 2 million. The best information is here with Justin, with Alec, with AIA. It's truly been life-changing for me, so I would say do it.
All right, guys, I've got my client and good friend Alexa on this call with me today, and Alexa's got a unique story. He's a client that we helped go from 10K a month to 150K a month. And Alexa actually started off as an employee inside my company, but he got so good at what he did that I literally had a conversation with him at one of our first masterminds. I was like, dude, you're so good at what you do that this is going to be the hardest thing in the world for me to do, but I'm going to have to let you go out of my company so you can go pursue your dreams and make more money because I cannot pay you what you're capable of doing. And here we are 2 years later having this conversation. So Alexa, I appreciate you hopping on, my man. You want to tell everybody a little bit about who you are and what you do?
My name is Alex Jovanovic. I'm 24 years old. Yes, I started working with Justin when I was only, I think, 18 or 19 years old. So I was working as a setter at AIA. And I have managed to learn a lot about coaching and running your own business and just started my own. We have been together for a long time, and it's been getting better year by year.
Cool. So can you briefly describe your business and exactly what you do, man?
So I run a coaching business where we coach people online marketing and sales, which includes media buying, website and landing page design, video editing, high-ticket appointment setting, and high-ticket closing.
Can you share where you were before you started working with us and where you're at now in terms of cash, revenue, and basically like the journey that took you there?
I started at around 10K per month, and right now we're doing around anywhere from 100 to 150K per month, depending on the month. So it's been 2 years that we've been working together. Since then, we grew like crazy. I believe our first month working with you was around 15-ish K, and then in 3 months, we went from 15K to 30K. And then in another, I think 6 months, we went to 50K. So in 9 months of working together, we went from 15K to 50K per month. And then another 6 months later, we were at 100K a month. So I would say around a year to year and something after we started working, we went from 15 grand a month to 100 grand a month. And we have been hitting consistent 100K months over the past 7 months. Right now, we are in the process of scaling. So right now, I'm coming to AIA calls, one call, and I get all my problems solved, and then I just implement it for weeks or even months, and then I just come back with like more questions or like updates with what's going on or where I need help, either on the mastermind or in person. It's been insanely helpful to set up all the systems, all the foundations. I think a lot of coaches miss the systems and like processes. And I think it's very helpful to learn how to keep a lean team that performs well and actually have a good profit margin, which I think the best thing about running a coaching business should be the profit margin. Last year, we did almost 1 million. We did like US dollars, I think like 800, 900K. This year, if we keep going at this pace, revenue-wise, we should be over 2 million.
That's awesome, man. Well, first off, proud of you. You're definitely on track to do that, knowing your numbers, which is really exciting to see. Now, I know when you first started working with us, you kind of had some pieces working, but it wasn't like pieces that were able to scale. What was like some of the stuff that, in your opinion, that we helped you out with the most with as far as like getting organized and getting the business ready to scale?
You guys helped me restructure my offer. I realized I was selling a completely different service and I could scale way easier if I shifted my focus to a different offer. So that was the first thing. Second thing was organizing recurring revenue and upsells for my current clients, which just with those two, I doubled my revenue in 3 months without increasing ad spend, without doing more marketing, without doing anything. I just switched up my offer and I have doubled my revenue. A lot of times I think as business owners, we have some number in our head that we think is how much we're making or we think this is working. with the AIA systems, I feel like I know what's working. I've learned a lot about how to look at a business in a real way and get real data and real results and be real with yourself as well. And just like, all right, this is working, scale this is not working, don't do this. It's very easy. If you're the disciplined person that just shows up and you implement these systems, it was very easy to scale these marketing systems. Also, obviously, the appointment setting and closing advice, especially I would say for me with the closing, the price looping, I think was very smart in the beginning. Just like by implementing these things, we were able to double our revenue. And then also, I think what helped us really triple, quadruple, and even more 10x our revenue at this point is the mindset shifts and mindset beliefs that we have, where we're scared to spend more money on ads, or we're scared to hire new people and fire them, and we just have this scarce mindset. I think it really helped me a lot to be surrounded by people who are doing already multiple 7 figures a year, where I can actually like see this guy spends more money in a day on ads than I spend in a month, so I should be probably spending more money on ads. So yeah,
I'm very happy that you mentioned that, because I think that's something a lot of people overlook is, you are the result of the people that you surround yourself with. And I know you specifically, there wasn't a lot of people like that. How big of an impact did that actually have on you? And what would you say to someone that's kind of watching this and like they don't have a community of people that they can actually go and talk to and get advice and kind of get that big dog like level up feature?
Yeah, I would say if you're not talking to 7-figure entrepreneurs, then you don't know what to do to get to 7 figures, because if you look online, you won't find free information how to make $1 million or 2 million or 3 million. If you just go to YouTube and search, how do I make millions? You won't get a lot of information, because there's not a lot of content creators like it is, how to make my first 10K a month, which is what everybody's doing. Mm-hmm. And it's basically almost nobody talks about that. And you have to pay for it to get it, in my opinion. And I think just if you show up on calls in the beginning, or you go to the masterminds and you're just around these people that are talking about these numbers, it becomes normal for you, and it can completely change your business. Like for me, we became the number one go-to people in our industry because we just surrounded ourselves with other people who are also the number one or top 1% in their industry. And are doing multiple 7 figures a year.
Nice. And I know like for you specifically, I feel like, dude, every time you come to one of our masterminds, you're pretty much doubling your business every single time. Give like a quick 30-second overview of your thoughts on the masterminds and if you think they're important or not.
I think masterminds are everything. I think in the digital world, a lot of people are using and losing the like in-person contact, which I think is super important. So not just have I been able to get a lot of good information, and as I mentioned earlier, like you hear this and it becomes normal to you when you come back home, you're like, all right, and you stay in touch with these people and you're like around 7-figure people, it becomes normal. But also like the networking that you get and the opportunities, like for myself, for my business, because we coach all of these people, now I have been able to get a lot of people that we work with, where we help them place setters, and it's not just like coaching, but you're also getting like networking, where you can also do business with these people. So it's just pluses everywhere, to be honest, and it's also like a great experience that you get.
I'd love to hear that, man. I'll say it just from my perspective is like, you're an ideal type of client. You're somebody that, you drop your ego when you get into here, and then you listen to what we say. You go implement, we don't hear from you for a little bit, and then you come back, you're like, bro, I just increased my business 20%, 50%, or whatever it is. And, I think that's just a huge aspect where a lot of people miss, because they think they have to constantly be, I have to get this advice, I have to do this, I have to do this. You've been a very good character of like, hey, you tell us exactly what's wrong. You come with your questions prepared, and then we give you exactly what you need to do, and then you go and implement it. Shed a little bit of light on, just the the character, the attributions on your end of like how you're able to do that and like what you're thinking of like when you're coming to get advice from us.
First of all, I really trust you guys. I have to say, as somebody that's worked in your company, that you guys are legit, that you guys know what you're doing. So I have a lot of trust, because I was there, I know what numbers you're doing, and I know it's not a scam like a lot of people out there just throwing numbers out there. I was a team member when we were actually doing like multiple 6-figure months, 7-figure years. So I know it's like real. And that's why I have a lot of trust to trust you guys. And that's why I can always lower my guard, knowing that I'm going to get good practical advice. Because if you think like really about your advice, it makes a lot of sense. And I think a lot of us like kind of know the answer, but it's always good to hear somebody just tell you who's in the place where you want to be. I would say that's why I've been able to just like listen, because I honestly like the approach I have with you guys, and compared to like somebody else that's giving me advice, it's a totally different conversation. Like you wouldn't even recognize me. My years of work have taught me to not trust people, but with you guys, I know I can be 100% relaxed because I know that it's a great company with great people, with great systems. With somebody that I can trust, and where we've built a relationship more than just business. It's been life-changing, really. Like it literally been life-changing.
Nice, man. That's amazing to hear, and I appreciate that. Now, for anyone that's on the fence or considering working with us, maybe they've seen some of my ads, maybe they're newer to my ecosystem, to my company, what would you say to someone that's kind of considering it?
I think they need to stop considering it and just do it right away today. I spend 30-ish thousand a year with you guys just for coaching, and I wouldn't be spending that money if I wasn't getting a return. So I would do it right now. I would stop thinking about it. If you're doing less than 100K a month, you just need to pay and learn, and 100% it works. It's very logical. It makes sense. For me, it's the most proper way to scale. I've paid a lot of coaches in the industry, and it's nowhere near. I think you guys should be way more recognizable than you are, honestly, but it's been nowhere near the knowledge that I've gotten. So if you're thinking like, oh, $10,000 or $20,000 is an investment, it's really, you need to look at what you're getting in return. So if I paid right away, when I was doing 15 grand a month, I paid 10 grand, and I got to 30 grand per month in 3 months. Then, I mean, what's 10 grand compared to doing that, and what's 30 grand a year compared to doing a few million? So you just need to do it and not think about how much you're spending. You need to think about what you're getting in return, because you will be getting an ROI, but you need to lower your guard, listen, and just implement. And don't expect people to do stuff for you. Like, the best information is here with Justin, with Alec, with AIA, but you also need to like be willing to put in the work and like actually try to figure it out. Don't expect to pay and then it just happens. Like, you need to pay, everybody's there, but you need to show up, and you're gonna make it work for sure. Like, it's very, very logical that it works. So yeah,
nice.
Do it. Pay. For real, pay. You should pay, you should join, and you should do it now.
Well said, man. I couldn't have said it better myself.
Yeah, like I'm being so honest, and I think it's truly been life-changing for me. So I would say do it.
Good, man. Well, I appreciate that. It's like I said, it's really cool to see your journey, you know, from knowing where you started and everything, and then coming back to us after working with us to go from 10K a month and now doing over 100, upwards of 150. It's really cool to see, man. And, you know, I'm proud of you, bro, because, you know, a lot of people, business isn't always easy. And, you know, anyone that sits here and says every month is a record month and everything is perfect all the time is lying. And like, you're a testament of someone that, you know, you treat it like you're an athlete. You make some moves, you get knocked back down, and you keep going. So just want to say I'm proud of you, man.
Thank you. I'm proud of you guys as well.